Hello, today we are going to see a topic that is called invertebrates. As you already know, we saw a topic that is similar to this the last year. This was called vertebrates. We saw the five groups and some examples. We also created a mockup with animals related to these groups. Now we will see what the invertebrates are, groups, characteristics, and some examples. Plus, we will include the biggest species of each group. Let's see. Vertebrates and invertebrates are different. While vertebrates have a backbone, that is the spinal column, invertebrates do not. Essentially, they do not have bones at all, and some groups only present the exoskeleton, which is like a hard cover made of calcium or cartilage. Or ears, nose, or larynx are made of the same material. Well, now we have the question, what are invertebrates? As I previously mentioned, invertebrates do not have backbone, and they respond to the word that comes from Latin in, that means not or without, and vertebra, that is the backbone or the spinal column. Invertebrates are divided into 11 groups. All of them are different and they have different characteristics. The group number one that we have is insects. In this case, we have examples like mosquitoes, beetles, and grasshoppers. The group number two is arachnids. In this case, we have examples like scorpions and spiders. In the group number three, we have crustaceans. In the crustaceans, we have the crabs and shrimps. In group number four, we have myriapods, which are the centipedes and millipedes. In the group number five, we have annelids, that are the earthworms. In the group number six, we have salamanders, that are the jellyfishes. And the group number seven are poriferans, that we have sponges. Group number eight is mollusks. In this case, we have the squids and the octopus. The group number 9 is echinoderms, that we have the starfish and the orchidins. In the group number 10, we have the nematodes, and the group number 11, we have the platyhelminthes. In these both groups, the last two groups, we have parasites, and we will see all these groups along all the bimester. Now let's see arthropods. In this case, we have insects. Insects refers to all the animals that you can see that they have 6 legs, 2 antennae, and practically in some cases you can see that they have wings or they can walk. But in this case, we can see that this group is really huge. We can see many species around the world. And next, we can see some other insects that can be for you really interesting. For example, the giant long-legged katydid, the Australian walking stick, the Hercules beetle, the assassin bug, the scorpion fly, the Brazilian treehopper, the Orchidea mentis, and the thorn bug.